This is a demo video on how to use Eagle's MiAir website, which allows us to see an interactive air monitoring map. First, go to the following link on the Michigan government page. Then, scroll down to the How's My Air Quality section. Click on the interactive air monitoring map. This will take you to a map that shows air monitoring sites as red and yellow icons. It will also show you non-attainment areas for sulfur dioxide and ozone. If you zoom into your desired location, you can select an air quality monitor. For example, I am clicking now on Southwest. You can find general information, the monitor photo, as well as hourly monitoring data. Next, we will explore the real-time air quality dashboard by going back to the home page and going back to the How's My Air Quality section. Now we will click on the real-time air quality information. This will take you to a separate page where you will scroll down to the air pollutants dashboard. At the top right, you can select a desired air monitor. The dashboard will provide real-time data for each pollutant that the monitor measures. If you would like to see concentrations over the past 24 hours, you can scroll through these graphs. If you would like to see data from previous years and days, you can find it at the link here below. Thank you for listening to this demo video about using Eagle's MiAir website.